To increase your limit in Coinbase, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Account Settings section. Here, you will find various options to manage your account, including the ability to increase your limits. First, ensure that your account is fully verified, as this is a requirement to increase your limits. If your account is not verified, click on the verification link and follow the prompts to provide the necessary identification. Documents. Once your account is verified, go to the Account Limits section and click on the Increase Limits button. You will be asked to provide additional information, such as your employment status, income level, and source of funds. Be prepared to provide accurate and truthful information, as this will help to expedite the verification process. After submitting the required information, Coinbase will review your account and may request additional documentation to verify your identity and income. This may include payslips, tax returns, or other financial documents. If your account is approved, your limits will be increased, and you will be able to buy and sell larger amounts of cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that Coinbase has different limit tiers, and the requirements for each tier may vary. To increase your limits further, consider enabling two-factor authentication and linking a bank account or other payment method to your Coinbase account. This will not only increase your limits but also provide an additional layer of security to your account. It is also important to note that Coinbase limits can vary depending on your location and the type of cryptocurrency you are trading. Be sure to review the Coinbase terms and conditions to understand the specific limits and requirements for your account. By following these steps, you can increase your limits in Coinbase and take advantage of the platform's features and services. Remember to always prioritize account security and comply with Coinbase's terms and conditions to avoid any issues with your account.